Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ian Easy. My name is Yulia, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Jamboard in 2020 and its different features. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. Now, let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Jamboard? Jamboard is a free Google app that acts like a whiteboard. You can use it in things like a meeting and presentations. It allows you to make notes, add images, and so much more. Okay, so the first thing you can do is go to these dots beside your account icon, press this, and scroll all the way down until you find Jamboard. Now, if you click this, you will see over here is a search bar. This is where you can search through all your jams to find the right one. Then over here is the menu. Over here you can find About Jamboard, Jamboard Help, their terms of service, their privacy policy, and you can send them feedback. Now over here there's the dots again if you want to go to another Google app, and then there is your account icon. Now, if you go down, you'll see all your recent jams here, and you can tap this circle that has the plus inside of it to create a new jam. And over here, you can change your jams into a row view or a grid view. Then you can also sort it and refresh the page. Now, if you press create a new jam, you will see over here at the top left side, there is the Jamboard logo. If you press this, it will locate you to the home. And beside this, it says Untitled Jam. Now this is where you could rename it. All you have to do to rename it is press on the name and then type in whatever you want the name to be. Now, over in the middle, there is your frames. You can press your frame here to expand the bar, and you can add a frame and add a frame here to the right or the left. And if you press the dots, you can duplicate your frame. And if you add another one, you can always delete it. So over on the right side, you'll have more actions, so you can rename it from here, download it as a PDF file, save the frame as an image, you can remove it entirely, make a copy, see the updates, and send feedback. Over here, you can share it to other people by adding their emails, and here is your account icon. Now down here, there is the undo button. You can also undo it by pressing Ctrl Z, and the redo button. Over here, you can zoom it in. You can choose to make it fit. You can choose to make it 25%, 50%, 100%, or 200%. So if you do these, it'll zoom in a lot. And then you can choose to just press zoom in or out. Then over here, there is your background. You can change your background to dots. So it's like a grid. You can also change it to these lines. You can change it to these squares, another grid. And you can change it to a graph. You can change it to a blue background and a black background. Now, if you have something over here and you just want to clear your whole frame, you can press clear your frame. Now, if you go down, you'll find the pen, and you can always change it to a marker, you can change it to a highlighter, a brush, and you can change the color to black, blue, green, white, yellow, and red. Now, underneath that, there is erase. This is where you can erase pretty much anything. And then there is select. This is where you can select your images or your text, and you can choose to make them bigger or move them around. Then there is sticky note. In sticky note, you can choose to have it in a yellow format, a green format, blue, pink, or orange. And then you can also choose to have it transparent, which will blend into the background. And then you can save it. And then if you don't want to make any more sticky notes, you can always press cancel. Now, if you want to get rid of a sticky note or an image, you can press on it and there will be 3 dots and you can press delete. You can also duplicate it and edit it. And another way you can delete it is pressing on it and pressing backspace. Now, underneath sticky note, there is add an image. This is where you can upload an image from your device and add it to your Jam. You can use a Google image search to get an image. You can use your Google Drive or your photos. Now you can always add an image and then you can draw over the image. And even if you draw over the image, the thing you've drawn on the image, it will not delete if you delete the actual image. For example, if I delete this image, the thing I've drawn over here will not get deleted as well. Now, underneath your images, there is your laser. This is where you can point to different things if you want to present your Jamboard. And if you drag on it, then it'll create a line that will disappear after a while. Anyway, those are all the features in Google Jamboard. I hope I was able to help you. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and bye!